The base of ships is often painted red primarily to protect it from marine organisms. Here's a detailed explanation. Anti-fouling properties. Marine fouling. Marine organisms, such as barnacles, algae, and mollusks, tend to attach themselves to the hull of ships. This process is known as fouling, and it can significantly impact a ship's performance by increasing drag, reducing fuel efficiency, and causing damage over time. Anti-fouling paint. Historically, ships' hulls were painted with anti-fouling paint that contained copper or other biocides to prevent these organisms from attaching. The red color was often a result of the copper oxide used in the paint, which has excellent anti-fouling properties. Copper oxide is naturally reddish in color, which is why the base of many ships is painted red. Modern practices. Copper-free paints. In recent years, environmental concerns have led to the development of copper-free anti-fouling paints. These paints use other biocides or non-toxic methods to prevent fouling. However, the red color remains popular due to tradition and the effectiveness of the earlier copper-based paints. Self-polishing copolymer (SPC) paints. Modern anti-fouling. Paints often use SPC technology, where the paint slowly wears away over time, exposing fresh biocide to the surface and maintaining its anti-fouling properties. Additional reasons. Visibility and safety. The red color can also make the hull more visible underwater, which can be beneficial for safety and maintenance purposes. Tradition. The practice of painting the bottom of ships red has been around for centuries, and many shipbuilders and owners continue this tradition even with the availability of new technologies and materials. Conclusion. The primary reason for painting the base of ships red is to prevent marine organisms from attaching and causing damage. This practice has its roots in the use of copper oxide-based paints, which were highly effective in preventing fouling. Today, even with advancements in anti-fouling technologies, the red color remains a common and recognizable feature of many ships.